Hello, this is Gene from ifixsmartphone.com. It's been a while, me making the video, but just just to show you anything is repairable. I got this old, well, I don't know if it's old or not, Texas Instrument calculator. Has a rechargeable battery, I guess, in there, but then obviously the students destroy the charging port. So rather than getting another replacement, they want to get it fixed. So this is usually a pretty simple process, but just wanted to show you what it can be done and what it should be done. Right? Let's take it apart. Oh, before you take it apart, make sure you put some tapes over it to prevent for this button to fall out, because as soon as you remove it, the mylar behind it, this button will just fall all over the place. So make sure you want to protect it. Okay, I checked out my stash, and there's a couple of the old charging ports that was used for blackberries, and I mean pretty much it's the same thing as this one here. All it needs is this five connectors need to be soldered onto the board and get anchored in here, and it will work. So I'm gonna try to see if I can modify it, because I don't want to through finding this and it's gonna take forever to find this one. It's simple, just a 5-pin that goes to the board to charge. So if I can just get this in on there to solidly, and I can jump that each pin, so that'll get it fixed. So I'm gonna try to take this off and modify it to get the thing on there, and then go from there. Okay, the charging port has been removed, and so this is trash. As you can see, there's only 5 points that needs to be connected, and this old same type of a micro USB, there's 5 there. So all it needs to be, get this anchored and just either jump it or match it. So I mean, the best way is to find the exact charging port, but I don't want to go through finding it, because nobody's gonna sell this single piece and it's gonna be very hard. So for me, it's better to just get this on there. It looks like this might fit. It has one anchor, but that'll be good enough to do it. And then get this on there, and then hopefully I get that port in there. All right, so this port was enough to fit it into this anchor hole, but as you can see, there's quite a bit of a gap from that pin to the board. So I'll have to jump each of them, but that's gonna work 100%. So I gotta make sure this port is on there firm, and then after that I just jump it. All right, so I solder the anchor here, so it's on there solid. Yep, so that's not gonna move. So after that, it's just jumping time. Okay, thanks to this Wiley this soldering lug, because of this, it's got that all kinds of shape that I can use to jump the pad. So I use this one here to jump the pointers there. So it's not as pretty, but it's too close to each other, but I got the job done. So it's connected, all 5 of them. 5 of the pins are connected to the board with the jumpers, and this is guaranteed to work. So let me assemble this and test it. All right, so got this all assembled, and we're gonna hook this up to the cable, charging cable, that good old USB cable here. Plug it in, shows powered on. You can see charging, and to verify it, so we're gonna follow the cable showing 0.06 amp is going in to this calculator. So yep, it's fixed. If you have any questions, shoot me an email or message me. Thanks for watching.